Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread last longer. First, let's talk about proper storage. For best results, keep your bread at room temperature. Refrigeration can actually make bread go stale much faster, sometimes in just 1 or 2 days, by accelerating starch retrogradation. Instead, use an airtight container or a sealed plastic bag to maintain its moisture and texture for up to 3 to 5 days. If you want to store bread for more than a few days, freezing is your best option. You can keep bread fresh in the freezer for up to 3 months. For convenience, slice your bread before freezing so you can take out just what you need. Wrap it tightly in plastic wrap, then an additional layer of aluminum foil to protect it from freezer burn and maintain its quality. When you're ready to enjoy your frozen bread, simply thaw it at room temperature for a few hours. To bring back that fresh-baked feel, you can warm it in an oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 to 10 minutes. For individual slices, a quick toast in the toaster works wonders, making them crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, just like new. To further prevent mold and staleness, always make sure your homemade bread is completely cool before storing it. Warm bread creates condensation, which encourages mold growth. Keep your bread away from heat sources and direct sunlight. A traditional bread box can also be very effective, providing a dark, cool, and slightly airy environment that helps bread stay fresh for several days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.